Hello! Today's a big day. Why? Because last week I ordered about $200 worth of go-kart parts, and today they're all here. Let me show you what I got going on. Okay. 11 horsepower Honda engine, 5-speed transmission, big boy golf cart tires, hubs and related equipment, big boy axle, a bunch of pulleys and stuff, and a couple more parts laying down here that I'll get into detail later. Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a pretty epic go-kart, if I do say so myself. I'm going to make an awesome 5-speed shifter kart, homemade. It should be pretty awesome. Yeah, hopefully I'll learn a little bit and you can learn a little bit and we can all make awesome shifter karts for pretty cheap. I hope you stay tuned because I will be documenting whatever I can, however I can, making this video series thing. And yeah, it'll be awesome. So stay tuned. Okay, first modification of the day. I bought these steering bits off eBay, and of course they don't fit. So if I fit this in here, it hits up against the edge of my rim. That's what I've done. I grind the edge off a little bit. Now, look, it fits perfect. Okay, now what I'm doing here is I'm fitting up all my steering components first so I can mount up my rear axle and figure out how long I need to make my front axle. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so here's my rear axle is mocked up right now. What I'm trying to do is measure how wide my tires are so I can figure out how wide to make my front axle. Right now, from the inside of the rims, it is 29 inches, and that's what I'm going to be basing my front axle off of. So I'm going to cut that and I'm going to mount that to this untreated steel piece here that pivots. So this will be my steering. So I'm going to do that. That works.
Go ahead.
Okay, I'm looking for my tape measure. I think we should. Where's my tape measure? I don't know what my tape measure is. Hey, my tape measure.
It's that.
Okay, so.
Oh my god. If this is Lauren,
I'm
leaving the call.
29 inches apart. On the money. Yes, I am. So, what's half of 29?
Check
Yeah,
I've got it.
Be 14 and a half.
14, yes, 14 and a half. So let's measure 14 and a half. Ouch, that's hot. 14, 5. Need chalk. I am so unprepared.
Say something for the YouTube fans.
I'm measuring.
All right.
Let's see if I'm halfway close here. 9. Almost 9. That's inconvenient.
As we can see here, it's good to measure 47 times, cut once.
Yes. And then measure again.
Right.
It's very important to have a straight and level frame, because if you don't have a good frame, the rest of the vehicle, whatever you're making, is not going to be good. That's all I have to say about it. I think I'm good now. Yes, I'm good. I'm going to make this official.
Go ahead.
No, that's this and down.
Go ahead.
This is my front axle here, and I'm welding it to the rest of my frame body, which is this square tubing piece here. I have yet to add more stuff to it, like this will hopefully be an awesome floorboard piece with all these holy things, and it'll be awesome, yes. And then the other red base that the engine is sitting on will be the other part of the frame. Top tip: whenever we are welding important pieces together that have to be a good measurement, it's a good idea to first do tack welds and then remeasure to make sure that your welds are still in the same place. So then, once you double checked and you're sure that everything is right where it's supposed to be, you can do your full welds. So this is what we managed to get done today. We got the front axle mounted onto the main frame piece thing, and we got the front wheels mounted on to the hanger things. So now we have to work on mounting the engine to the back of the frame. Stay tuned for next time. Thanks for watching. Hi there. It's another day building go-karts. Logan's here. Amanda's here. Jordan's here. Logan just removed the engine from our engine frame thing. So what we're going to do is we want to mount this red piece onto the rest of our existing go-kart frame and hopefully get our rear axle on today. So let's stay tuned and see what happens today. Go for it. Okay, so here's what we got going on. Right now, this entire assembly is upside down. So I want to mount this on like so. We're going to cut out the metal here so this bar will sit flush with the rest of this plate here, and we're gonna tack weld this all on, and then behind here we're gonna stick a piece of angle iron running across to connect to these two outside pieces here, and hopefully it should be a nice solid frame. So I'll keep you updated on how this works out. Okay, here's the general gist of what this whole thing's gonna look like. We cut some recesses out of here, like so. I cut off some other random bits and pieces that are in the way. Now what we're going to do is we're going to measure, make sure that this piece will be square with the rest of the frame, so we're not doing a permanent right and or left turn. So alrighty, well, it's the end of day 2, and this is what we got done. We got the back end portion of this firmly attached. Unfortunately, we did not get a chance to mount the axle, so that's all we got done for tonight. But just taking a step back and looking at it, it's a pretty badass looking frame. So it's a good start to the homemade shifter cart. So hopefully next time I'll have my axle mounted on and I'll start mounting more drivetrain parts, which I'm sure everybody's interested to see. So yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for next time.